Today I'm going to be making something really yummy, and these are my classic chocolate chip cookies. So let's get on with the ingredients. A half a cup of butter, and I'm using unsalted butter in this recipe. 1 cup of packed brown sugar. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using Hershey's semi-sweet chocolate chips in this recipe. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 egg. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So those are the ingredients, so let's get started. So for our first step, I've got my nice brown sugar in here. I'll just break that up with a fork, and my butter. I will grab my mixer and we'll start to cream this together. So I've been mixing about 30 seconds or so. At this point, I'm going to pop my egg in there, and what that's going to do is it's going to really help me cream this mixture up. It's going to loosen this whole mixture, which is good. So I'll just let that go. I'll get my vanilla in as well. Super simple recipe. And I can just get a little bit of speed going just to really incorporate this really well. I want to get all of this really nicely blended together. Okay, that's good. And then all the salt. And then my baking powder. Okay, and then we're going to sift in our flour. I've got a sieve here, and I'm just going to get all of my flour in and just give it a little shake. Just like that. Perfect. And then we'll grab the mixer and just slowly start incorporating this. Okay, so I'm just on speed number 1 here. I don't want to overdo things. You don't want to overmix. So just slowly get all of this incorporated. Once it's completely mixed together, then what you can do is just grab all of your chocolate chips and just pour those in. And then just let the mixer do the magic and mix everything together. Alright, that's nicely mixed. So at this point, we are ready to go. I'm going to go grab my tray. I'll get ready and I'll come back in a minute. Alright, I'm back and I have my tray all ready, and I got myself a little ice cream scoop. Very easy to do. If you don't have one of these, really, you know, it's a good idea to have one of these because you can get all of your cookies of uniform size. Really nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get all these on here, just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to grab a fork, and I just want to push these down just a little bit, just to give them a little bit more surface area. They're going to cook a little bit quicker, just like this. Perfect. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish these off, and I'm going to bake these for 12 minutes at 375 degrees. So I'll just finish off my tray here. And you want to give these a little bit of space. I could have put more on here, but for the video, this is fine. So you just want to push them down just a little bit, just like that. Perfect. So I'm going to pop these into my oven, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 minutes. I'm going to do a whole batch, and then I'll come back and show you the final product. So off to the oven. Alright, my first batch just came out about a minute ago, and I figured I would just show you these coming off the tray. Oh, they smell so good. And I did these for a total of 12 minutes. Okay. So there we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue on, and then I will come back with all of the cookies done. Alright, I'm back. All of my beautiful chocolate chip cookies have baked, and they're almost all cool. So we've got here 2, 4, 6, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
27 cookies. Really nice. So let's just break into one, and I'll just show you. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, really nice. You can see they're not overbaked. Oh yeah, that's really good. So there we go. Super fast, super easy. My classic chocolate chip cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time.